What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install this transmission mount insert into an Audi B8 to B8.5. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to watch this whole video. Real quick before I get into this video, check out the new subreddit. It's called R Audi Mechanics. Any questions you have or for working on Audis, ask them there, or if you can answer the questions, come in there, we could use your help. First step, put your car up on ramps or jack stands high enough for you to get underneath where the transmission mount is. Okay, now you're going to get underneath your car and you're going to find this bracket right here on your transmission. You're going to take out these two 10mm triple squares. Now take your transmission mount insert and slide it in. Now take your brand new bolts. Don't reuse the OEM bolts. Either take brand new OEM bolts, or if your kit comes with the 12.9 bolts, torque those down. I'll put the number on the screen for what you torque those to, but these torque to 15 foot-pounds and then a quarter turn after that. If you're using the 12.9 bolts, you torque them down, and then but you use blue Loctite. Okay, so once you've torqued these down to 15 foot-pounds, turn them a quarter turn. So from here, I'm just going to turn it to right here. And if you're using the grade 12.9 bolts, you don't do that quarter turn. You just torque them down to whatever the spec is you're supposed to torque them down to. I'll put that on the screen. But you use blue Loctite. I'll put a link in the description to the transmission insert that I just installed, and I'll also put a link in the description to the triple square that I used. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you in the next video.